Welcome back, guys. Today I'll be painting the roof. I'll be Mexicaning it off, sanding it down again. Got the back glass off, everything cleaned up. But yeah, today I'll pull it into the booth and paint the roof. We're going with the heavy metallic black for the roof. I'll give it a day or two to dry before I paint the quarters. So let's get to it. Okay, so what I did to mask it off, I put tape on the inside of the windshields from right there and the sunroof. So all I had to do when I laid down the plastic, all I had to do was just press it down for it to stick, and then I cut around it. Same thing on the back glass right here. Now all I gotta do is just tape this, line it up and just tape it, and it'll be ready for sealer, and then base coat and clear. So I'll just finish taping up those sides, then I'll get to painting. Okay, so I got the sealer right here and this paint gun. Another thing I forgot to mention, I use 3 different paint guns. They're all the same ones, the Finex 3000. I got one for primer, one for paint, and one for clear. Just to keep everything nice and clean and separated. So I'm gonna set you guys up right here while I paint. Okay, so I laid that sealer down. I'm gonna give it like 15 minutes to dry, and I'll be right back to see if it's gonna need sanding or not. With the sealer, I had pretty good luck. It doesn't need sanding. It lays down pretty flat. Takes a minute to dry though, but that's what gives it that smooth look. So I'll just let it dry on its own. Probably give 15-20 minutes, and I'll see it afterwards. Okay, the sealer is nice and dry. Even though it looks wet, but it's dry. I can touch it like right here. It's not going anywhere. It looks nice and smooth, even though it's a little hazy in some spots. I'm pretty sure the clear coat is gonna cover all that. So I'm just gonna get the base coat ready and spray that out. Okay, that was the first coat. It looks like a greenish black right now. I'll see how it turns out after a couple more coats. Well, it's probably just the heavy metallics in it. And this paint dries pretty quick. So I'm ready to paint the second coat right now. I'll start on that side again. Okay, so everything is nice and dry up here. It looks pretty flat right now, but when I put the clear on it, it's gonna make all that metallic pop. I'm about to do 2 coats of clear on this, and I'll give it 25 minutes between each coat for the flash time. Okay, that was the first coat. I'm about to give it 25 minutes and then I'll come back to do the second coat. Okay, the 25 minutes just passed for the first coat and I got the second coat right here ready to spray. And I'm about to get that done and we'll see the gloss afterwards. Okay, so I'm gonna give it 25 minutes, I'll come back and see the gloss. Okay, everything is nice and glossy. Looks very smooth. So now I gotta take off the tape on the inside of the sunroof right there and on the both edges. Because I don't want the clear to dry on the tape, and then when I'm going to peel it, it'll peel off the clear. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it till tomorrow to dry real good. I'll probably leave this top to dry for 2 days before taping it back up to paint the quarters. That's it for today, guys.